Welcome back, thank you for joining me today. We've got two Volvos, two XC70s, my T6 and my friend's 3.2, both 6 inline engines, and today we're gonna replace the torque strut mount on the 3.2 engine, which has higher mileage. It's bad. The torque strut mount on my Volvo is still in good shape. Volvo is using the same mount on different engines throughout the lineup, so you could find this video helpful. My friend's 08 XC70 3.2 with higher mileage, we're gonna check the condition of the mount, and to do that just take a look if you have any cracks on the rubber, or in this case just wiggle it sideways and we can see that the rubber has completely separated from the surroundings. So it's time to replace it, and I think it was never replaced since the car was manufactured. Pretty easy job, just remove this little bolt, lift the reservoir up to gain access to the two bolts that hold the mount in place. Let's begin. It's an 8mm socket to remove this bolt. Now just lift the reservoir up from this tab, and you don't have to, but you can also remove the decorative engine cover.
Снимай.
Extra pair of hands is a bonus here. One is gonna hold the reservoir, 15mm socket and an extension bar. You wanna loosen the two bolts.
Да, он идет гайка стоит. Я держу его.
Да, все равно мне надо одна рука только тут. О, все, вышел. Теперь его надо как-то вытащить. А ну-ка, видно?
Да-да.
Так.
Чтобы не упал.
Здесь проще.
As we can see, both bolts are different in length. Now to the new part. My friend's choice was to get this FEBI brand. It's cheaper, it's made in Spain. Let's open the box and take a look at the new part. And it looks very identical to the original Volvo part installed from factory. That's interesting. And the old part completely separated. So make sure that you take a look at your mount, because symptom wise, when you drive the car you don't feel much. You're not gonna feel any clunking, you're not gonna feel any problem with the car. Let's take some more close-up shots here. What happened to the rubber in all of the 12 years. Now let's take a look at the picture of the original Volvo part, and interesting that it's also made in Spain. So comment below what you think about it. Installation is straightforward in reverse.
Бери тут маленький болт.
There's 3 more mounts on the engine. There is 2 side ones that are oil filled, they are hydro mounts, and those ones are not leaking any oil, they're not completely sagging down. And the bottom torque mount is actually in good shape, so we're not going to replace that. We're just replacing the top one for now. Torque wrench, there is room to torque it properly, so why not? We're gonna torque both bolts to 110 Nm.
Аккуратно это, да, вот так. Одевай его.
Reinstalling the coolant reservoir, and this pretty much completes the replacement of the upper mount. I hope that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos coming out. Since we have this higher mileage XC70, we're gonna see more repair videos coming out because it requires more work. Thank you for being with us, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye guys.